When my grandson showed me his brand new Nerf Rival MXVI-4000 automatic machine gun, I thought it'd be interesting to take it out into the field and do some measurements of its range and accuracy. So I mounted it on a jig that allows me to keep it locked into a position and also change the angle so I can measure how the range changes with the angle of inclination. First up, let's see how it does straight and level at 0 degrees inclination. The gun is loaded with 6 brand new Duracells. So let's see how she does. Okay, the range of the main body of the ammunition was at 39 feet. It stretched 10 feet in distance and about 3 feet from side to side. But what's interesting is that the first few went quite a bit further until the driving wheel loaded up. The first ball fired actually went 69 feet. Let's try it at a different angle. We're still at 0 degrees inclination. Now I'm going to try it in single shot mode to see what the range is. They're really flying. Okay, let's see how that did. And here we are at 15 degrees. Okay, 15 degrees got us an average range of 62 feet and a maximum range of 90 feet. Now let's try 30 degrees. "30 degrees gave us an average range of 73 feet and a maximum range of 90 feet. Final test will be at 45 degrees. Let's see what we got. All right, although ballistics predict that 45 degrees should be your maximum range, for this Nerf gun actually it appears that drag takes over at 45 degrees. Our maximum range was 66 feet, down from the 73 of the 30 degrees. The spread is about 12 feet in diameter. The furthest one, I don't know if you can see it way out there, went 93 feet, but that was just one. So it would seem that the maximum range is at about 30 feet. The downside to that is it's so inaccurate that unless you want to fire a bunch of rounds over a wall, it's not really going to be able to allow you to hit anything. So I hope you found this video interesting, and thank you for watching.